back with another video. I'm back once again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my wig without braiding it underneath. Now I know a lot of y'all probably be on the go, y'all probably be having stuff to do and don't have time to braid y'all hair all the time, so I came up with a way that's easier for me to put on my wig and secure my wig without braiding it underneath. Now I'm probably not the first one who came up with this tactic, but trust me, it's very useful and it helps. So I'm not going to do too much talking. We're going to get straight into the video. Oh yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I do is slick my hair back into a ponytail. And I like to part my ponytail depending on the way I'm wearing my wig. So if I was wearing a side part, I would have slicked it back into a side part. But for this video, I'm wearing my hair in the middle, so I slicked it back in the middle part. And also, you want to make sure your ponytail is very tight. Not tight to the point where it's squeezing your head, but tight enough so that it won't be sticking up when you put your wig on. Also, make sure your ponytail is very low, and you'll see why later on in the video. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna split my hair into two, and with those two, I'm gonna split it into four and do 4 big plaits. And make sure the plaits are tight. Once I finish plaiting my hair, I'll let you guys know what to do next. Once you've completed the 4 even plaits, what you want to do next is take some bobby pins and split your hair into 2 again. So I'm taking one side and I kind of like twist it a little, and then I wrap it up very tight, very tight. And you don't want that to be like a big lump because it will show through your wig. And honestly, the key to a nice wig is a good foundation underneath, so make sure that it's flat as possible. And of course, you want to do the same thing to the next side. Okay, y'all, so I was feeling myself a little bit, but as y'all can see, I did pin up both sides, and yeah, it's kind of flat. Well, I don't even know what I'm saying, y'all, but y'all see it's flat. And then what you want to do is get a wig cap, or you know, a durable cap to put over your braids. And once that's to your liking, now you can do the fun part and apply the wig. And also, the way I do my wigs is tight enough to fit my head, and all I have to do is pin my hair. So pin it to where it's necessary, and voila, here go the final result, y'all. Well, you know, I had to adjust it to where it was necessary, but this is the final result. And as you can see, it's flat.
And I was surprised like when I first tried this because it was flat. I thought it was going to be bumpy, but it actually looks really nice.
So yeah, y'all, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful for you all. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and comment below. I love y'all. Bye.